Hi guys, this is my new table saw, Kölle K45. It is a replacement for the prior one I had, the Fromia. And this table saw is bigger, sturdier, heavier, and in a way nicer table saw to use. Did not plan to buy it, the same type of the table saw, just a tad bigger, but when I saw it and used it, I fell in love with it. I wanted to buy sliding table saw, but as I did not find the suitable one, I decided to upgrade, in a sense, with this one. It has the electrical up and down movement of the blade and the motor, and manual tilting mechanism. The things I like is the power, accuracy, defense, usability, and the bigger table. It is around 800 kilograms in weight. I don't know how much in the pounds is that. I will guess around 1800 pounds or something like that. It is very heavy. One day I will restore it. Other than paint, there is nothing wrong with it. I made this dust chute to try it out, to see how I like it, and I made the zero clearance insert, and this saw, everything about it is huge. I mean, the zero insert is huge, just huge. Things that I don't like about this saw are none. I mean, I need to replace the belts in it, and other than that, one day I will rebuild it. This is the up and down. You have two speeds for up and down. This is slow, this is fast, same like for the down, slow. And one thing I needed to make was this high push stick, because the fence is very high and you need a push stick that is higher. The handle of the push stick, it needs to be higher than the fence, so you could use it. The table is in very, very nice condition. After a bit cleaning, it showed to me that it is barely like from factory. It is flat in all directions. It has no damages to be significant. And other than that, if you have any questions, comments about the saw, please ask, please comment. I will be filming this saw in use in future videos, and now I will turn it on so you can hear it running. And one thing more, this switch has automatic start data, and when you turn the saw on, after like 10 seconds of running, it will automatically switch to delta. You can hear the belts. I will need to replace those belts very soon. And one interesting thing is I made this dust chute, and I made it in the way that I have this board in here that goes, I think, like to here, and the suction is here and goes here. Interesting thing about that is that the air from the moving blade pushes the air backwards, and without any suction I end up with a lot of dust on this table here and behind the blade. And when I connect it to the dust collection, it is phenomenal. That's it. Comment, ask if you have questions. I forgot to mention, the fence will fold when you push it all the way right, and it moves if you depress the lever. It locks into place, and that's it. Very heavy and very sturdy fence, much bigger than the last one I used. All the things on this saw are much better and sturdier and bigger and heavier than on the last saw, and it is absolute joy to use. The mountain of power. That's it, guys. Thank you.